Unlock the secret to boosting your home's value. Welcome, homeowners. I'm Bobby with Net Gain Real Estate, and I've been renovating and fixing up houses for over 30 years. Today, I'm here to share with you some of my best tips on what to renovate before you sell your home. And our thought always is, why wait until you're ready to sell? Why not enjoy these improvements now and reap the rewards later? Double winner. Renovating before you sell can significantly boost your home's value and help it stand out in a competitive market. But don't worry, you don't have to spend a fortune. I'm here to help you save thousands by showing you how to be your own general contractor. With a little guidance, you'll be able to manage these projects efficiently, effectively, and save 20 to 30% in the process. In this video, we'll cover everything from enhancing curb appeal to refreshing neat rooms like the kitchen and bathrooms. Plus, I'll share 5 cheap cheats that will make a huge impact without breaking the bank. So, if you're ready to transform your home and maximize its value, stick around. I've got some fantastic tips coming your way. First, let's talk about curb appeal. This is the first impression potential buyers get of your home, so it's crucial to make it count. Consider a fresh coat of paint on your front door, or even a new door. Add some charming outdoor light fixtures, if the budget allows. Paint or side the whole house if you can. Remember, when they roll up, this is what they see first. Some other options. Make sure that all sidewalks, patios, porches, and all the rest are looking good and clean, and in a, oh, I just want to hang out here style. Don't forget about landscaping. It's an easy and affordable fix. Trim those hedges and keep your lawn neat and tidy. Some colored pots with plants and flowers are always winners, and best of all, you take them with you when you leave. Next, let's move to the heart of the home, the kitchen. Upgrading your kitchen can drastically increase your home's value. Consider replacing old appliances with energy-efficient models, or perhaps adding a stylish new backsplash. And don't forget about your cabinet. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders. Or check into cabinet refacing to see how that compares and what it can do if you don't want to change them all out. Cabinet knobs and pulls are an easy thing to change out though, and can update the look. Now, onto the bathrooms. A refreshed bathroom can be a major selling point. Consider replacing outdated fixtures, regrouting tile, changing out the lighting, or even adding a new vanity. Got multiple bathrooms? What about changing out one tub shower combo for a walk-in shower? Definitely stylish and appreciated these days. Remember, it's all about creating a space where potential buyers can envision themselves relaxing after a long day. And speaking of paint, never underestimate the power of a fresh coat of paint. It's one of the most cost-effective ways to transform your home. Stick to neutral colors like whites, grays, or beige. They appeal to the widest range of buyers. Caveat here. Gray is finally on its way out, so we recommend a hard pass on its use unless you really love it. Enough of all houses inside and out looking like battleships. I will say that I do use color, and a lot of it in the houses that I do, and they always sell well and sell fast. I've used greens, blues, yellows, tried raspberry in an office. That was overwhelming. But 3 coats of paints eliminated it finally. So don't be afraid to test colors, especially if you're going to be staying a while before selling. Always remember though, the darker the shade, the more coats to recover when it's painting time again. Next up is flooring. The right flooring can set the tone of your entire home. Hardwood is always a classic choice, but high-quality laminate can also make a great impression. If replacing floors isn't in the budget, consider having carpets and floors professionally cleaned and tiled grout lines cleaned as well where the tile exists. Lighting can make or break a room, so let's talk about lighting next. Swap out any outdated fixtures and replace them with modern ones that match your home's aesthetic and style. Also make sure all rooms are well lit. This can make spaces seem larger and more inviting. Pro tip, leave lots of lights on if and when it comes to house showing time. Always makes a house look better. Now that we've covered some of the bigger projects, let's move on to my cheap cheats. Lower cost items that still pack a punch. Cheat number 1, add crown molding. This is a simple way to add elegance and class to any room. It's relatively easy to install, and it can instantly elevate your home's interior. Cheat number 2, swap out hardware. This includes things like doorknobs, cabinet handles, and light switches. I know, who thinks that often about light switch plates? and keep them basic white. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference. Cheat number 3, install a new backsplash. This can be a fun DIY project, and it can dramatically change the look of your kitchen or bathroom. Cheat number 4, landscaping touch-ups. Adding some fresh mulch, planting some colorful flowers, or even just keeping your lawn well-maintained can significantly improve your home's curb appeal. This one is so important, we're mentioning it twice. And last but not least, cheat number 5, power wash all exterior surfaces. This includes your siding, deck, driveway, walkways. It's amazing what a difference this can make. Oh, we also should probably say check the roof about power washing that as well. It can truly make your home look brand new or close to it. And here's a bonus tip and cheat tip: declutter. You don't have to become the world's best organizer, but learning to declutter and finding storage for items can make a huge impression on anyone that comes to your home, whether that's tomorrow or when selling it. Quick search online will give you a mountain of tips and ideas. All right, I've got one more now that I'm thinking of it. Check your walls. What's hanging there has meaning and is special to you, and that's how it should be. Sometimes, however, less is more, and that is especially important when selling the home. Declutter your walls for better visuals while you live there, and especially when selling. And when you do show the house, stash most of those personal photos in a drawer during the showings. People are trying to see themselves in your home. They don't want to feel like they are intruding. Remember, every home is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. But with these tips as a starting point, I'm confident you'll be able to boost your home's value and appeal both for yourself as well as for new potential homeowners while you live there and when you decide it's time for a new adventure. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope these tips inspire you to start making these improvements now so you can enjoy them before you sell. And if you're interested in more info on how you can save 20 to 30% on your home renovations or rehabs, check out the link below. Happy renovating.
Ready to transform your home? Enroll in our renovation course today and start saving on your next project. Visit us at www.netgainrealestate.com.